Hello. Charles here. Thank you for coming to my presentation. Calling you from Perth today. The weather is fantastic. Yesterday it was, oh my goodness, very hot, around 38 degrees, 33 degrees. But today you can see outside there, the clouds are covering the sun and it's cool. And we even have we had some showers early this morning. So the temperatures have gone down. Thank you very much. Okay, so today I just want to share with you my hosting services that I provide from CJ Investment. This service is very fantastic. I've partnered with one of the most great companies that are extremely conversant, extremely techy in hosting services. So this shared hosting from Kaluwasha Hosting. If you want to have a shared hosting deals, these are just great for you if your website security is very important to you and if you'd like your web contents to be loaded more quickly to your targeted visitors. You know, there are so many hosting companies around there, but not only look at the expenses, but look at the features that they have. Okay, some they are cheaper, but the services are not good, or maybe your website is not loading. These days, customers are very critical. Most of them use the mobile phones, and if your website is not loading within 2 seconds, you are losing money. They will abandon it and go somewhere else. So you need a hosting company that loads your website faster within 2 seconds. So we have built our companies built with enterprise grade hardware components. Our cutting edge shared hosting platform guarantees a flawless performance for your site. And if you want us to move your content from another hosting company, today I just moved one of the domain from GoDaddy. I've moved it because it's becoming expensive now. When we started 5 years ago to have a domain at GoDaddy, it was around $2 to $3. But now this time, if you can go to GoDaddy now, just to host a domain, it's around $23. So I was supposed to renew my my domain just 4 days from now. It was going to cost me 23.50. 23 just hosting. No, not just registering on, not hosting, just registering a domain. It was going to cost me 23. So I've moved my domain to Kaluwasha Hosting, and it is less than $23. That includes locking the website. I'll go through all those things. And so that's the advantage of the Kaluwasha Hosting services. So, and what this company does, and if you want them to move your content, well, they will do it for you free cost. Just instruct them, give them the details. They will do everything for you. You don't have to struggle. So let's look at the packages that this service provides. We have got a standard package. You can have unlimited disk space. This feature indicates the file storage quota associated with your shared hosting account. For example, the total size of all the files that you can upload. So there's unlimited space. And then we've got unlimited monthly traffic. Okay. This is the total amount of incoming and outgoing traffic that is created by the file uploads and page hits. The traffic counter for your shared hosting account will be zeroed every month. It doesn't accumulate. In some hosting companies, it accumulates, and then you can have a lot of unlimited. You can have a limited space, traffic space. But after a month, it is zeroed to zero. You start again afresh. That's the goodness of that one. And then with this package, you can have one hosted company. This feature shows how many domain names you can add to your shared hosting account, no matter if they are registered here or elsewhere. You can manage all of them through the same hosting control panel. There is no separation, It is all under one. They will all be managed under one hosting panel, control panel. Okay? Then the other thing that you will discover is that you will have unlimited subdomains. You have unlimited subdomains. This is the total number of subdomains that you can create under your shared hosting account. Each domain can have its own content, like standard alone site, or complement the website under the main domain. So you can have as many as domain as you want to have with this package. And then you have 100 email accounts. Other hosting companies, they will maybe give you only 5 email accounts. But with this service, you are going to have 100 email accounts. Maybe if you have got 10 employees or 100 employees, or those who are critical in your company, each one can have an email so that they can be receiving or sending to their customers. So this is the advantage for you. Next, we go to you can have 5 databases. Okay, MySQL, which is the MySQL database. You can have 5 of them. We can also have 5 gigabyte VPN traffic and all other features. Okay, those are which come under one package. Okay, and this is just a standard hosting package, and it costs only $2.75 per month. You can also test the services with a 30-day completely free trial, no credit card required. Okay, you can try us just free for 30 days. We don't ask for a credit card, It is free for you, so that you see the functionality of this service. Where else can you find this type of service? In other services, they will say free trial for 14 days. But you have to pay. After 14 days, you have to pay. But for us here, it's just free for you for 30 days. You can try, you can see how the website is working, how your website is working. You can load all the photos or contents and see how the website is functioning within 30 days. Then thereafter, after 30 days, then if you are happy, then you can upgrade $2.75 per month. That's all you can have. Okay, so let's go at the advantages. One, you have the genuine cloud. Genuine cloud, we use a real cloud architecture for all shared hosting plans, and we do not run everything on a single server. Alternatively, our custom created platform relies on cluster of autonomous physical servers working synchronously to handle your files, emails, databases, stats, and so on. This setup allows us to provide a remarkable, fast, and reliable service with practically no network interruption. That's good for a website. You want your website is your store. Website is the entrance of people to come to to see your services. If it is shut, always shut, then no one will come. Okay, they will get discouraged. So this is what we have. Okay, and then we have got the ZFS cloud storage and email, and we have got fast SSD drives. Then we have got also the daily data backups. Okay, every day there is a backup in case something goes wrong. You can retrieve your backup and can restore your website. We created daily backups of all shared hosting accounts whose contents is less than 5 gigabytes and keep them for a week. So we can restore any of your websites the way it was on any of those past 7 days. Is it not wonderful? Okay. We have got also 24/7 technical support. You can contact us 24/7 support, including weekends and holidays. In other companies, I was with another company that when you have a problem, you submit a support ticket and it takes about 24 hours. Just imagine 24 hours when you want something, you want your website to be active or there's a problem, technical problem. You have to wait for 24 hours, then they will answer you. And if you're not satisfied, you send back the question and it will take another 24 hours. But with this service, with our hosting services, it is 24 hours. I would say the minimum waiting time to receive an answer, it can be 10 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes, there must be an answer. A technician will be there, pop, within 10 minutes or 15 minutes. If you have got a complex issue, maybe it will take them maybe 25 to 30 minutes. They have to look into your website, what is causing the problem, and then they will come back to you with practical steps for you to follow. That's why I like this service. Okay, when I was transferring my website to this service, every day I was asking questions. They were guiding me, do that, or click here, and do that. And if you don't know anything, this is the best place to go, my friend. Don't even fear. And you want to break your website because there are steps. It's just click and paste, click and paste, click and do that, click and do that. Very easy. Very easy to follow. The website accelerators. Okay. Yeah. We have the Vanish, Memcached, and Node.js are 3 of the very best web accelerator tools available on the marketplace. We offer them with all shared hosting packages, and they can enormously improve the overall performance of any script-powered website, especially a high-traffic one. This is very important. We have got these accelerators available free of charge. You won't be charged extra money. No. Browsable daily backups. The backups that we create every day are available in your hosting control panel as a browsable folders, so you can view them at any given moment and restore their contents with a couple of mouse clicks. Then the next one is multiple data centers. Okay, we have so many multiple data centers depending on where you are. For example, I'm in Australia, so if I want to host my website where I am in Australia, I can be directed to host my website to Australia. We have got so many centers. You can choose the physical location of your shared hosting accounts, as we have got servers on several continents. In the United States, and there's also one in the United Kingdom, there's one in Australia, there's one in Finland and Bulgaria. In this way, your site visitors will enjoy substantially faster loading times, and your site will be positioned higher in local search results. For example, my website, it's just a few months ago, I would say, no, not in April, that's when I moved all my websites to this site. And at the moment, I'm in the 500,000. My website is 500,000. It is competing with the websites that has been on this site for many years. You can see from 10 million to 500 because of this multiple data center, because I've brought it to my local area, and the search engine in Australia, they are searching and they find my website in this localized. No, you're not competing, localized. So that's great for you if you move your website to our services. So yeah, there are so many advantages. And how much does it cost? It only costs 2.75 per month. That's all you can do. Okay, so you can have domains here. The cost of each domain, for example, .com, it's just $12.50 per year, and then .net, it's $14.50 per year, and info is $14.50 per year, and you have one CPU cores, which is 2048 megabytes RAM and 50 kg disk space. And if you want to have a dedicated servers, it is $79.50 per month. Dedicated servers in some other areas is around 120 something in other companies, but for us, if you want to have your dedicated servers, that is for those who have got big companies, okay, it's just $79.50 per month. In other areas, if you compare on the market, to have a dedicated servers, it's going to cost you maybe $128 to $150 per month. Okay, what else do you want to know about? So many things, this is all you have. This shared hosting platform, it is 99.9 uptime guarantee, 99.9% uptime guarantee. In addition, all our cloud web hosting packages offer more than enough hard drive space, monthly bandwidth, and database storage space allocation. You will receive access to a fabulous online control panel, which features all the tools you need to transform your website administration from a drag to something simple and amusing. You will get lots of charge-free bonus features, which will help you make your website work better and open faster. Okay, so exclusive domain registration prices, I've already gone through that one. For .com domain, it is just $12.50. As I went through all these are different domains that you want to have. Okay, so user-friendly online control panel. This is very easy. If you are striving to find a simple and easy-to-use website administration solution, try the Kaluwasha Hosting online control panel. It boasts an uncluttered user interface, which will help you concentrate on your site's visual appearance and the overall performance and spend less time on tedious maintenance tasks. Whatever your ideas for a website might be, our online control panel will help you turn them into reality. Among the key features of online control panels are the drag and drop. It's just drag and drop. You don't have to create the HTML and so forth. You just drag and drop. You go to the file manager there, you find the files. That's where you can find the file manager is there. That's where you can find the file manager and used as FTP, file transfer protocol client alternatives. Web file management tools have always been sluggish and poor in features. Nevertheless, when using the file manager built in the user Kaluwasha Hosting online control panel, you will not only have a quick, responsive and easy to work with file supervision client, but also a software instrument that will make a third-party FTP application unneeded. Take a look at several of the characteristics that we have built into our file manager. So these are the things that you can just drop. You click there, you drop. You click, you drop. You click, you drop. These files, online file editors are there, logical fold structures, all your files sorted with a simple to use method, a user-friendly interface, work with multiple files, modify a number of files at once, one-click password protection options are there. So that is how easier it is, even for a newbie, even someone who doesn't know anything. It will be very easy for you to go into your control panel and do some changes, unless if you want. But otherwise, when you set it, it goes. It is there for you. Myriad of cost-free bonuses. We offer you extra value for your money by including heaps of cost-free bonus features with each cloud hosting plan. Our shared hosting packages and semi-dedicated service come with our custom online control panels, which is jam-packed with valuable tools that will help you quickly build a brand new site or bring your current website to a higher level. Among them, web application tools and website installer, a framework installer, a cost-free website creating tool, a collection of multiple free of cost templates. What's more, each cloud hosting package offers you the opportunity to register a new .com domain for only $12.50. So these are bonuses that we can give. You can get from here. You can also choose the data center, as I already said. Okay. In the United States, we have got a center, State First, Chicago. We have got one center there. In UK data center, we have got the Maidland Health, Berkshire, UK. In Australia, here in Australia, we have got a data center in Sydney, that is Amaze, Sydney. Amaze. If you are in Australia, check out Amaze Sydney, Australia. This is where I have my websites. All websites have directed them to this Australian data center in Sydney. So wherever you are, you can have your website hosted to one of the data centers. In Bulgaria, we have the Telepoint Sofia, Bulgaria. In Finland, we have Filco Pori in Finland. So these are the data centers wherever you are, the nearest. If you are, maybe for example, if you are in Africa, the nearest is UK. You can use UK, okay? And if you are in the Philippines, or you are in the China or wherever, you can use, I think Australia is the nearest to you, okay? So, what else? A risk-free hosting service. Most importantly, our web hosting service is 100% risk-free. We offer a 99.9 server uptime guarantee, which implies that your websites will be available online regardless of what happens with our web servers. And in case you have any concerns, our client care staff is available 24/7, 365 days. And the guarantee client support ticket response time is under 60 minutes. Mostly it's 10 minutes. If it's a simple task, 10 minutes they can answer you. But if it's a complex one, it will take about 30 minutes or 60 minutes, which is good. In some other services, 24 hours, they'll answer you after 24 hours. But here, within 60 minutes, within 20 minutes, your answer, your request or your problem has been sorted out. If you are not happy with our cloud hosting service for whatever reason, you will get your money back. We offer a 30-day money back guarantee. Money back guarantee, 30 days guarantee, 99 network uptime, and the services is guaranteed. So that's all I wanted to share with you. As we enter into the new year, you have got plans. If you have been disappointed with your current website hosting company, this is the opportunity to try Kaluwasha Hosting services. Try it for 30 days. No calculated card. See how it works. Okay, so this is the website that I wanted to share with you as you plan for your next move, next plans for 2020. We invite you to visit us to try the Kaluwasha Hosting services. Wherever you may be, we have got data centers near to your country or near to your town. They are available in three continents, in 4 continents, okay? America, Europe, and Asia, which is Australia. Okay, if you are in Africa, the nearest is UK. Okay, or you can, even Australia, nearest is Australia. And especially if your country is having power failures every time, it's better you put your store where there is no power outage. All right, so that's all I wanted to share with you. I'll leave the link so that you can also check us. I'll leave the link in at the bottom of this website, of this video. I'll leave it there. Check there. Check it and try us. I tell you, you'll be satisfied with our services. because I've used it myself and I'm using it. So that's why the Kaluwasha Hosting service, is there for you. Okay. So all the best, guys, and we shall see you inside if you want to try us, and you will receive an email from our services, our accounts, our support. That's welcome to Kaluwasha Hosting services. Okay, so all the best, guys, and wish you prosperous New Year, and wish you safe Christmas period as you celebrate, share, welcome friends. That's the goodness of Christmas. We share. So I was sharing some good things for you, good content to help you service your door, your store, your show, your shop online. So this hosting is like putting your shop in the center of town, so that everyone can know where you are. Okay, all the best with you guys. I thank you, and God bless. We shall see you. Okay, we shall see you in other times. Okay, yeah, that's good. I can close now, I think. If you are still around, try us. I was saying, try us, and that's my picture and my lovely wife there. Come and try us at Kaluwasha Hosting service. I'll send you my link so that you can check us out. Okay. Otherwise, otherwise I don't have very much to say. All the best. If you are still around, you are not sure, we have got these advantages here. We've got fast SD drives, daily data backups, 24/7, especially this one here. This is critical. You can contact us 24/7, including weekends, no holidays. Even on Christmas Day, your website is got an issue. You want to be assisted with anything that you want to upload, just contact us. Within 30 minutes, a reply will be sent back to you. Don't go away. When you send a support ticket, don't go anywhere else. Just wait. The technician will look at it and answer you quickly. That's the good thing. You cannot have this service anywhere else except at Kaluwasha Hosting service. Okay. All right. So I'll stop here. Just check with my link there. There's a link anywhere, either this side or this side, or up or down. You'll find the link there and try us. Free, no credit card. It's there. Free trial. Test our services with a 30-day completely free trial period. No credit card required. Free trial. And see how the service we provide, how it is better to none. Okay? All right. Okay. Thank you. God bless. We meet.